Hey guys, it's Kiara from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're gonna continue on seeing how much money we can get a sale with Perpetual Income 365 with using my lead gen secrets here. So far we have not gotten a sale. We've gotten a bunch of hops. A lot of people have checked it out, but we haven't gotten a sale yet. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back to the marketplace here, find Perpetual Income here. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna do this series for. I'm thinking like either 5 or 7 days. I'm not entirely sure. Then I pick another product, see if I can get a sale, something like that. Um, we'll see if it's popular first. See if people like this or not. Maybe try to figure something else out. But okay, let's keep it going here. We'll click on Perpetual Income here. We find it right here. Perpetual Income 365 here. As you can see, the average conversion is very high, which sounds like a good thing for the most part, but my lead gen secrets is probably a little too high, to be honest with you. But we're gonna see if we can get a sale, because we can always get a sale. Don't worry about that. We can always get a sale from it. So let me see here. Here, Perpetual Income. All right. So we're gonna go for the next email swipe here. We're gonna do that real quick. So we've done recession proof, and we done yes you did it. So we on email 3. How many emails are there? I think there's 7. Looks like there's 7 swipes. Okay, so we're gonna do this for 7 days. We'll do these until they run out of emails. How about that? And then we'll pick another product. And I'll tell you if I get a sale or not. I'll make it. Believe me, I'll tell you. Alright, so we're gonna post this here. Go here, my lead gen secrets. If you don't know about my lead gen secrets, let me run it to you real quick. My lead gen secrets is a program which you can email people every single day. Now, while you in the program, you collectively get 100 leads every single day to mail that you can mail. And unless you get a sale on my lead gen secrets, and then you can mail 200 leads per day. All right, so let's keep it moving here. Go to the mailing system here. Click on that. We're gonna pick the email they gave us. Haha, I can't believe it worked. Let's delete this. Hit perfect typing. Timing, I meant to say. Perfect timing is but basically how that works is that they get the email around the time they check emails. Most of the people that sign in are on a Gmail, if you're curious. So try to stick to that. You know, it's not the biggest deal because not everybody is, but you know, work on that type of timing. So yeah, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, let's keep it moving. All right, so we're gonna click on this email, copy it here. We're gonna post it here. We're gonna change some stuff around a little bit. We're gonna unbold it. I don't know why it's always bold like that. Click here for a shocking surprise. I'm just shortening it up a little. Tightening it up a little bit. Fast. Simple. And it works. Like, just need to finish. Click here right now. This spot. We'll just put our name here. All right. Guess I can put for the link. Yeah, I like that. All right. Let me go ahead and get the link here. We're gonna click on Perpetual Income here. We're gonna click on. Let's see what the email is saying real quick. Let's just use this regular email here. maybe. Oh. Either default, maybe the 47. Go with that. Let's look at the 47 per month. We're gonna click on generate hot links. I don't know what that is, but I want that. We're gonna promote that. All right, so go to the mailing system here. Click on like that. Bold it, you know. Boom. Just making stuff happen. All right, we're gonna do the same thing here. Bold it. Boom. All right, so it looks really good there. What we gotta do is preview, and we gotta make sure these links work. Always make sure your links work. Check every single time, because you never know. Okay, page. Okay, I see. Now, if you really want to see if your link works for sure, what you can do is you can go to here, click on this, get instant access, right? Then you get to this page here. What you do when you get to this page here, what you can do is just look right here. Affiliate, that's my affiliate, and that's my affiliate to make sure that I get paid when they purchase. So that's a good way to do it there. So anyway, that's how you can tell with clickbank if your link is working very well. But anyway, the links work. Just wanted to spread the information to you. And we'll send it here like this. I think let's not make it complicated. Just what you do, you just copy the email they don't already written and just post it and see what happens. Now, can you improve it? Yes, you can. But I think the best course of action is just copy and paste. You know. So we're gonna send that off there, and I believe that will be it, guys. We'll see if we can get a sale. We got 7 more days here. We got 4 more days here left, and we'll see if I can get a sale on Perpetual Income here. Hopefully, I get the 47 a month. And man, I'll see you guys. Oh, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. To catch stuff I'm doing. Do all the things. You know what I mean? Tell me what y'all want me to promote next. Like, it don't matter what product it is. It don't even have to be and make money online. It could be a weight loss product or anything. I will try it. So don't even bother your mind on that. Just say, in fact, you don't even gotta pick a product. Just say what niche you want me to try with my lead gen secrets. I'm willing to try it. Basically, that's what this accounts for, trying stuff. So just shoot at me what y'all think I should try next, and I'll get to you. I try my best to get to it as soon as possible. All right, see you guys next time. Peace.